Did you know Serum has a hidden feature that can elevate your sound design? X for Records Serum includes a visual equalizer tucked away in its filter section, offering powerful insights into your patches. Here's how to access it. Open the filter section and click on the filter display area. This activates a real-time spectrum analyzer, showing you where harmonics are present and how filter adjustments affect the frequency spectrum. Click again to toggle to a phase view, revealing phase changes across frequencies, and a third click returns you to the standard filter view. This hidden gem is perfect for precise sound shaping, helping you make informed decisions while designing your patches. Use it to fine-tune harmonics, adjust filters, and see the immediate impact of your tweaks, all in real time. While it's not as robust as a dedicated spectrum analyzer, it's a quick and intuitive reference tool right within Serum. Ready to unlock the full potential of this hidden feature? Comment Serum below, and we'll DM you a link to our free Serum tools and resources to take your sound design further.